Sites in Leja. All those scientific discoveries were made in the era of Pierre Odinani. But since we abandoned Odinani and became Christians, we have only become a consuming nation. We have not been able to produce a pin. Everything is imported, including the God we worship. Once you have an imported God, then you will live an imported life. I tell people that we wear second-hand clothes, we drive second-hand cars. If you're not following the gods of your ancestors, you are following a second-hand God. And Igbo Odinani say, it is about time we claim this originality. And nothing can be done about it. This is why Ozioma Odinani is committed to training children. We are committed to Abunka. We have a children's department. At sometimes when you go online, you see children. We have run that in school for about 6 years. Because we know that Azoka, we know that everything we are doing today, if we do not train the children, it will be a waste of time. Those of us who are into evangelism today, do not seek personal glory. Don't think about yourself. No. But what legacies are we leaving behind? Who are we training up to take over? This is why Ozioma Odinani is committed to bringing up children. We are committed to connecting technology to their ancestry so that they don't see technology as something foreign, as something alien to them. I ask people, how many of you can make bronze work today with all your university education? But your ancestors, 4,000 years ago, were making the best bronze work. They were testing bronze. Vortex mathematics, we were doing all these things. So I salute this department. I salute these great men. I tell people that Diko Waja is not one person. Diko Waja is every person you see around me today, all those you represent. Because it is one body. So, Odinani, it's non-negotiable. There is nothing you can do about it. Okay?